Okay, so what are we doing? What are we doing? So I'm working on my website. I'm trying to improve it. You can go to joeflow.com. Will be there. I want a loading effect. Not quite sure where I video. I made a video just this. Oh no. Give you this and let's. Oh yeah. Hey, can you play that video as the background for the hero page? I want it to play once, not on repeat. You every time you refresh the web page, you should repeat again. And then you go on the page and you just see that animation first thing, and then the ending screen is just the logo in the background. Just the way it's right now, maybe see a little bit, and then adjust where the demo video of the Flow product is. Leave the text as it is right now. I like that. improve that section on the homepage. I do not like the way that looks. Improve it. Go ahead and make the icons on the top, like the different pages. So make it look a little bit cooler. I don't like the way it looks just plain text right now. I wanna have it look a little bit more unique. So improve the UI on the header of the homepage. Hey, can you make me an up-to-date motion video on JoeFlow, the entire project? Um, this is a product demo for the hero page on the homepage of the website. Go ahead and plan that out. Important note, do not copy, reference any of the already existing emotion videos. I want you to make a completely new video from scratch. Anybody watching, what do you think of the current website? I'm gonna add an animation to the hero page, but what do you think of the font? I like the font, but what do you think of this page? You like this? Does this look good? What about this? Does this look good? Put a W in the chat if this looks good, and L if it doesn't. Or this, we gotta fix. I don't like this. Check my usage real quick. How much? Actually, pretty good. Uh, Grok and go ahead and improve that section on the Joe Talk page. The goal of that section is that that's where you download it, and don't worry about the back end for now. Just create a really good front end for that to, and also add Mac OS, not just Linux and Windows. But the goal of that section is that you can download it then. So do a rework of that section on the Joe Talk page. Go ahead and make a git push. My OBS seems to keep on freezing, like my screen recording keeps getting stuck on a certain page and doesn't update and just stays stuck on a certain screen, and it's like a screenshot and nothing changes anymore. Go investigate that, make a plan to investigate it. Don't make any changes yet. Just find the root cause and tell me what the root cause of it is. It's holding up pretty good actually. Surprised by how good the usage is holding up. Nice. Oh, cool. Well, fixed. Click on the deployment for the website. Oh, it has. Let's go. This is what I intended. This is what I wanted. Great. Nice. What do you think about this? Does this look good? WL in the chat. But I can't have the video playing auto with the button. There's a problem with the homepage. The video autoplays, but it autoplays while having a button. So have it autoplay, but remove the play button over it, and then but leave the button at the that comes at the end. Don't have it on repeat play, so at the end you can go back and just repeat it or make it big, but remove that play button while it auto plays. It looks terrible. Oh, what do you guys, you see this? What do you think about this? Does this look good? This is W. I don't know if it's a W. Maybe we need some coloring. That is. Not sure if I like Joe. Joe looks. This feels like kind of repetitive. We might have to fix that. Might have to make a change. Done. So what we're making right now, we're making a new remote video for the hero section, so that hero section can be updated. Also, if you're wondering what the actual product is, product I'm not really sure yet about the product. There's a few things in mind and a few things I've already built. What I end up actually shipping, I might just ship it the way it is, but there's also a good chance I find something prefer, and then I just grab what I have right now and I ship that. And I just build it really, really quickly and ship. But I also might just ship this just for the purpose of finally getting something out and shipped, um, and to understand the process of actually shipping something. So we'll have to see how that goes. Let's check usage again. Curiosity. Rock is so broken. Wanna hurry up? I need that right now. Working terminals is quite challenging to manage them. Claude 64% used. So we're unfortunate. No resets in an hour and 40 minutes. That's good. Of course, it doesn't close, right? Of course. Good. There we go. Bang, you got the fixes. Let's go. Okay, I can't double click the big. That's an L, I believe. Oh, yeah, and that need fix for sure. And then this also rock on this. You need to update the version So it's actually on 0.4.0. Go ahead and fix that. And then the you know what, actually, let me go ahead. Bunch of images. Can you do web search? Can you do web search to make me custom images for the website? Kind of. Okay, go ahead and make me 50 images for different types. Give me ink, give me writing, Joe Flow, write flow in different languages. Joe always spelled in the normal letters, but flow you can experiment however you want. SVJ icons, anything. Just make 50 images you think I might be able to integrate into my website. If that works, be interesting to see if that works. And make me an ad video for my product. I want you to make images, then make image to video, and go ahead and make me an ad to my product. They had to do that because for some reason, um, all these products be leaking the Gmail. I don't know why they do it, but they leak it. Quite annoying actually. So I gotta be careful because I don't want to leak. Oh, great. Oh, deploy, locally deployed. This cooks up. By the way, a really good way to get cheat code is Olama, or the Olama subscriptions get pretty good usage. I'm pretty annoyed right now because they haven't added Kimi K3 to it yet, which is quite disappointing. You gotta pay extra, you gotta have a plan, and then you gotta pay extra to use it over Olama right now, which is ridiculous. They added Kimi K would be a no-brainer to use Olama, but they haven't yet, which makes it kind of hesitant. I mean, it's fine. Yeah, I can use GeoM with pretty high limits, but it'd be a no-brainer if I could use Kimi K3. You know what? That's a bit odd. I don't know. Oh wow, that's some pretty good stuff actually. Let's check usage down. So far on my Grok Super Plan, I believe it is. Yeah, I guess Grok Super Plan, I've used like 5%, which is pretty good. Not perfect, but it's pretty good. Hey, wait, let me actually show this. No, it doesn't look that way. But that actually, I could see that. This as well. Not all perfect, but some of it. Tell me what you think about this. Look good. This is a good design. I like this one. The rest is fine, but let's check. there anymore. Wish I could like pull this in, but that'd be pretty cool if I could pull it in there. Hmm. Okay. Well, that's interesting. So this is what I made when I told her to make go to my website and make me. Is it perfect? No. Like the icons are ridiculous, but like the background looks kind of cool. It got the logo properly and got the logo actually perfectly everywhere. Use a different font here, but it got it correct. I don't know what I think about that, but I like the flow. Oh yeah, guys, I hope GOM 5.5 is a banger model. I don't know, like if it's better than Kimi K3. I don't know how they would do that because it's like it to be 1.5 trillion parameters, but my goodness, it would be such a blessing to get another banger model out there that's open source, and I hope they open source it a little bit quicker than Kimi K did. It took how long? I think it took like 10 days, something like that, for them to open source it. And now that they open sourced it, that as Olama still has not gone ahead and released it, which is insane to me. So I need you to make some improvements to it, add some color or some add something to the navigation bar on the top. I I need you to improve the UI of it massively. And to do that, oh no, uh, that what it did. Okay, so this is actually a pretty cool thing. You've got X like a Grok subscription. You can use the voice agent inside of JoeFlow, which is pretty cool. Actually, really cool. Oh my goodness, you guys! I don't know if you probably heard about the movie Obsession, but the guy who made it, that fascinates me. Story of what I didn't watch it over that much, but story behind him dropping out of college in New York, I believe, for filmmaking, and then building himself slowly up on social media, to then at some point end up making a full on movie that's in theaters. That's yeah, I made a skill this morning for making thumbnails. I'm gonna have to do by the way, this none of this is actually just doing the content. Oh god damn it. Just hey, can you go ahead and do a full rework on my earpods just went empty as well. Can you do a full rework of the pricings page? I do not like the current design. The layout I'm actually fine with, but the UI terrible. Make a massive improvement. Oh my goodness, both you, but I'm actually gonna go ahead and end the stream because too many of us got both.